Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Lecture 15, it is for BSc Part 2, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 1, B Part, Ethers and Epoxides. In earlier lecture, we had seen the method of formation, physical properties. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the chemical properties or chemical characteristics of ethers. Ethers are chemically less reactive because of the absence of active group in their molecules. Ethers do not react with alkalis, dilute acids, metals, phosphorus, halides, etc. in cold. They are not easily oxidized or reduced. However, ethers show reactions due to the presence of alkyl radicals, gives a substitution reaction as in case of alkanes. Ethereal oxygen, this oxygen coordinates with electron deficient molecules or Lewis acids. Carbon oxygen bond, carbon oxygen linkage shows some cleavage reactions. Reactions of the alkyl group substitution reactions, halogenations like alkanes. Ethers undergoes substitution at alkyl group when reacted with chlorine or bromine in the absence of sunlight to form halogen substituted ethers. Usually the hydrogen at carbon is substituted more readily. Ether in dark, it will give you alpha carbon ether. See here, diethyl ether, when chlorinated in dark, it will give you alpha monochloroethyl ether. When it is again further reacted with chlorine, it will give you alpha alpha dash dichloromethyl ether. In the presence of sunlight, all the hydrogens of ethers are substituted to form per halo as ethers. For example, see here, diethyl ether when reacted with 10 chlorine molecule in presence of light or sunlight, it will give you perchlorodiethyl ether. Combustion reaction. Ethers are volatile and highly inflammable. They burn in air like alkanes to form carbon dioxide and water molecule. See here, diethyl when reacted with 6 molecules of oxygen, it will give you 4 carbon dioxide and 5 water molecules. Reactions of ethereal oxygen. The oxygen atom in ether has 2 unsaid reactions of the ethereal oxygen. The oxygen atom in the ether has two unsaid lone pairs of electrons. Therefore, ethers behave as Lewis base and coordinate with Lewis acids or substances deficient in electrons. Formation of peroxides. Ether form peroxide by the action of atmospheric oxygen or ozonide oxygen due to coordination of the one lone pair of ethereal oxygen with another oxygen atom. Here, ether, oxygen, it will form peroxides. These peroxides are unstable compounds and decompose violently on heating. It is therefore essential to remove the peroxides by washing before distilling the ether. So this is the essential part. The presence of peroxides in ether can be detected by the development of red color when ether is shaken with a solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate and potassium thiocyanate. See here. Formation of oxonium salts. Basic character. Ethers form oxonium salts with strong mineral acids which are stable at low temperature and a high concentration of acids. However, they decompose to yield back ether and acid on dilution with water. See here, ether when HX mineral acid when it is reacted, it will form diethyloxonium halide. With sulfuric acid, it will give you dialkyloxonium hydrogen sulfate. With HCl, diethyloxonium chloride. With HBr, ethyl methyl oxonium bromide, like that. They also form coordination complexes with Lewis acids like BF3, boron trifluoride, aluminum chloride, RMGX, etc. See here, with boron trifluoride, it will give you boron trifluoride etherate. With Grignard reagent, it will give you ether complex of Grignard reagent. It is for this reason that they are used as solvents for Grignard reagent. Thank you very much for today's lecture.